How to mirror image in Canva. In order to mirror image in Canva, you need to follow the steps. So here, first thing first, open up your browser and go to canva.com and log in. Afterwards, you want to first of all open up a new document or a new slide. And next, what you need to do is click on the upload from the left hand side corner. So here, in order to mirror the image, you could either go ahead and click on upload your file or maybe select it from this page. So in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and select the picture for now. So for now, I'm just gonna go with this picture just for the sake of this video. Or else I'm just gonna go with this logo, alright? So when I've actually done it then what you need to do is here, you first of all need to go ahead and select the image. And then you wanna go ahead and hit Ctrl+C. And then you wanna do is Ctrl+V. That means if you pasted this, and this is how it's going to look. After which you wanna select a particular image here. And you want to go ahead and click on this edit icon in the top of the page, and then you could see in the top right there are a lot of options. You simply want to click on flip. You could either do it flip horizontally, then you could see this is how it's gonna mirror, or you could just flip vertically. So horizontally, it's going to actually help you out to mirror the image. So you could then go ahead and adjust it just like that, adjust it equal to the size, and this is how you could go ahead and mirror your screen or mirror your photo in Canva. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.